So here we are with the dollar store chrome powder. Get ready to give it a whirl. I've polished and top coated my nails in black. And of course this came with a little applicator. So we're just gonna put it in and just see what happens. See if the dollar store let me down. No, it don't look like they let me down. It look like something. It look like it's chroming. Okay, dollar store. Okay. Oh no, it definitely worked. Y'all need to go get that. And you know the girls is charging up. You know the girls is charging up for this vibe. Y'all better go get that mirror powder from the dollar store, honey. Look at that. Go ahead, dollar store. Come through $1.25. Oh, yes. This is exactly what I wanted. Up top of the dollar store. So the $1.25 tree has really stepped it up, okay? Y'all better go in there and see what y'all can find because they be having some real good stuff in there now. It's not your average dollar store no more, honey. Get that extra 25 cents and go up in there and get it popping.